Game Changers, which is a sports organizing company, and what they are into is organizing sports activities for corporates, for doctors, for lawyers, so that they can remain fit socially and physically on weekends.
Then it came to my mind that all those people who work away from home, what options do they have? Because they don't have any such circle to engage and to have, to go and play with. So then it came to my mind that there's a need in the market for this. People want something like this because there's so many people in Delhi NCR who have come from various cities across India to work, and they don't have anybody to approach. So we wanted to be that option for people so that they can come to us and they can play and pursue their passion and have a stress-free weekend.
I play in a team where the average age of people is 52 years. There are people who are 58 years in my team, 55 year also. And we don't play for winning. We play for fair play trophy. So we want somebody who can provide us congenial atmosphere, pleasant play conditions, and also whatever they are committing, we should deliver.
In fact, this industry is quite unorganized. So what people promise, they don't exactly deliver in terms of quality of matches, in terms of quality of space to play or whatever. So that is paramount. What we say, what we commit to people, what we commit to teams, that the kind of experience you get there, we try to over-deliver that, not even match it. So that's why because people are not used to getting what is committed. So they're used to, yaar jitna bola usse kam hi milega, koi aisi baat nahi hai. So, but they get their values worth here.
So how do you go about it? And when you started this, when you envisioned doing something like this, how did you raise the initial capital?
Well,
your savings?
Savings and with the help of some family.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And how did you go about it? Tell us a little bit about your revenue model.
Well, see, what Game Changers does is it has revenue model of two ways. First of all, it conducts tournaments. So by planning tournaments, executing them, and also branding tournaments. So we invite teams to participate in them, and we get participation revenue through teams. We also get sponsors on board, whom we give a full marketing value.
Keep telling them, my feedback to them is please start some more female-oriented sports so that till the time that I am working, they're well set and I can start participating in them because I'm not so much of a cricket person or a football person.
Right.
So if they can start off some more female-oriented sports, then I would love to participate during the weekend. It'll be extremely great.
Social media is one of the biggest platform for us. Our Facebook page, we have the presence on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Google+. So all this provides us a holistic approach. And from Facebook only, we can approach the clients and through calling also.
Okay.
Through Facebook, they come to know about our Game Changers page, the corporate events we are handling. On Facebook, we have a social calendar we follow.